What's going on, guys? Ultra Stasio here with FlytPath.com, and in this video I just want to quickly go through some sound checks and sound tests with the new DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2, the one with the updated ESCs and the updated props. Now, the main reason why I wanted to do this video was not just to compare the Phantom 4 Pro with the version 2, but I also have, the Platinum as well as the Air, and I wanted to see how big of a difference across the board the sound is between these drones. Now, I want to thank Drones Made Easy, the DJI store here in San Diego, California, for loaning me this for this test. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail as far as the main engineering differences. I actually have a friend, Rick, from Drone Valley, who actually goes through in a lot more detail as far as frequency rates and compares them side by side as far as the Phantom 4 Pros and the version 2. I'll make sure his link is above and below. Check that out. He goes into a lot of detail as far as the engineering behind a lot of this technology. So let's get into this video now. I'm going to go one by one. I'm going to do startup sound as well as sounds at different heights. I'm going to use a directional mic so that you can make sure that I have it pointed exactly where the drone is at, as well as a decibel reader, so we'll be able to see exactly the differences between all the drones as far as the numbers go. So that way I'm able to dial in a little bit more. Now, I know that a lot of these things, even if you watch my previous video with the Platinum, it's something that you just really have to hear in person. There is a lot of difference in sound, and I'm trying to just get it as accurate as possible. I didn't want to use just my onboard camera mic because that thing is pretty weak, but I wanted to at least give you the sound up close with a directional mic, as well as give you some numbers with a decibel reader. So here it is, guys, just the results of the test that I got. Now, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm not going to go into too much of the actual engineering portion of this. This is really just a sound check so you guys can actually hear the difference in sound, both on startup and also when it's hovering at multiple heights. Now, of course, with the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2, you are getting the different transmitters. So you're getting the OcuSync versus Lightbridge. You're, of course, also getting the updated ESCs, electronic speed controllers. But as far as just sound goes, if you were to put the new version 2 props on your version 1 Phantom 4 Pro, from what I got from my readings, the sounds are very, very similar. And as you can tell by the decibel readings, they're pretty much identical. The biggest thing is, just like with the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Pro Platinum, the props bring down and give you a little bit more lower of a tone. You don't get that high hissing sound as much like you do with the Mavic Air. And I think that's the biggest difference there. If you want to stay kind of under the radar, anything like this, any of these props really help you fly and have a little bit more enjoyable of a flight. I hope you guys got some value from my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you guys got some value. This is Ultra Stasio with FlytPath.com. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.